Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today I'll show you how to rename files or folders on your MacBook. This tutorial is necessary because keeping your files organized with clear names makes it easier to find what you need. Before doing it, I'm requesting to subscribe this channel. So let's get started. First, find the file or folder you want to rename. So I'm gonna choose this folder. Now click on it once to select it. Then press the return key on your keyboard. Now the name will become editable. So just type the new name and press return again to save it. Okay? So I'm gonna click again on the return button. That's it. Alternatively, you can right click or control click on the file or folder. Then choose rename from the menu that appears. And here type the new name and hit return again. So I'm gonna clicking on return or enter button again. And that's it. Now you can easily rename files and folders on your MacBook. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX for more quick tech tips. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.